Handling events by extending AWT components. Before concluding our look at the AWT, one more topic needs to be discussed. Handling event by extending AWT components. The delegation event model was introduced in chapter 22 and all the programs in this book so far have used that design, but Java also allows you to handle events by subclassing AWT components. Doing so allows you to handle events in much the same way as they were handled under the original 1.0 version of Java. Of course, this technique is discouraged because it has the same disadvantages of the Java 1.0 event model, the main one being inefficiency. Handling events by extending AWT components is described in this section for completeness. However, this technique is not used in any other sections of this book. When extending an AWT component, you must call the enable events method of component. Its general form is shown here. Protected final void enable events long event mask. The event mask argument is a bit mask that defines the events to be delivered to this component. The AWT event class defines int constants for making this mask. Several are shown here. Action event mask, adjustment event mask, component event mask, container event mask, focus event mask, input method event mask, item event mask, key event mask, mouse event mask, mouse motion event mask, mouse wheel event mask, text event mask, window event mask. You must also override the appropriate method from one of your superclasses in order to process the event. Table 24-2 lists the methods most commonly used and the classes that provide them. The following section provides several programs that show how to extend several AWT components. Extending button. The following program creates an applet that displays a button labeled test button. When the button is pressed, the string action event is displayed on the status line of the applet viewer or browser, followed by a count of the number of buttons pressed. The program has one top-level class named ButtonDemo2 that extends applet. A static integer variable named I is defined and initialized to 0. This records the numbers of button pushes. The init method initiates myButton and adds it to the applet. Here are some classes and their processing methods. Button, process action event, checkbox, process item event, checkbox menu item, process item event, choice, process item event, component, process component event, process focus event, process key event, process mouse event, process mouse motion event, process mouse wheel event. List, process action event, process item event, menu item, process action event, scroll bar, process adjustment event, text component, process text event. These are commonly used event processing methods. myButton is an inner class that extends button. Its constructor uses super to pass the label of the button to the superclass constructor. It calls enable events so that action events may be received by the object. When an action event is generated, process action event is called. That method displays a string on the status line and calls process action event for the superclass. Because myButton is an inner class, it has direct access to the show status method of ButtonDemo2. Extending checkbox. The following program creates an applet that displays 3 checkboxes labeled item 1, item 2 and item 3. When checkbox is selected or deselected, a string containing the name and the state of that checkbox is displayed on the status line of the applet viewer or browser. The program has one top-level class named CheckboxDemo2 that extends applet. Its init method creates 3 instances of myCheckbox and adds these to the applet. MyCheckbox is an inner class that extends checkbox. Its constructor uses super to pass the label of the checkbox to the superclass constructor. It calls enable event so that the item events may be received by the object. When an item event is generated, process item event is called. That method displays a string on the status line and calls process item event for the superclass. Extending a checkbox group. The following program reworks the preceding checkbox example so that the checkboxes form a checkbox group. Thus, only one of the checkboxes may be selected at any time. Extending choice. The following program creates an applet that displays a choice list with item labeled red, green, and blue. When an entry is selected, a string that contains the name of the color is displayed on the status line of the applet viewer or browser. There is one top-level class named ChoiceDemo2 that extends applet. Its init method creates a choice element and adds it to the applet. MyChoice is an inner class that extends choice. It calls enable events so that item event may be received by the object. When an item event is generated, process item event is called. That method displays a string on the status line and calls process item event for the superclass. Extending list. The following program modifies the preceding example so that it uses a list instead of a choice menu. There is one top-level class named ListDemo2 that extends applet. Its init method creates a list element and adds it to the applet. MyList is an inner class that extends list. It calls enable events method so that both action and item events may be received by this object. When entry is selected or deselected, process item event is called. When an entry is double-clicked, process action event is called. Both methods display a string and then hand control to the superclass. Extending scroll bar. The following program creates an applet that displays a scroll bar. When this control is manipulated, a string is displayed on the status line of the applet viewer or browser. That string includes the value represented by this scroll bar. There is one top-level class named ScrollBarDemo2 that extends applet. Its init method creates a scroll bar element and adds to the applet. MyScrollBar is an inner class that extends scroll bar. It calls enable events method so that the adjustment events may be received by this object. When the scroll bar is manipulated, process adjustment event method is called. When an entry is selected, process adjustment event method is called. It displays a string and then hand control to the superclass. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and want more videos like this, then please let me know by click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.